How to fix Instagram chats not showing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram. Click on it and now click on force stop. After you click on the force stop option, your Instagram is gonna be stopped. After that, you have now to go into the data usage option and make sure to enable all those options and disable the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage. After you click on the storage or the internal storage, you have to click on clear data and clear cache. After that, restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.